Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to save or convert any web page into PDF file without using any third-party app in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So here what we will do is we're gonna use the inbuilt Safari web browser. So just open the inbuilt Safari web browser and say I have opened one website, say apple.com, right? You can open any website, whichever website you feel like saving as a PDF file. So after opening, you can see here a complete web page, right? So you can save this complete web page or convert this web page into PDF. So for this, you can see at the bottom center one icon. Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option written options, right? Just tap on it. Now you can see option written PDF. Just tap on it, and after selecting this PDF option, you can see a done on the right top corner. Just tap on it. Now this web page will be converted into PDF. So this is the first step, and the second step, what you can do is just scroll down below and you can see here one option written print. Just tap on it. Now you can see here one icon on the right top. Just tap on it again, and now you can see here it's already been converted into PDF document, as you can see here. And now just scroll down below, and now you can see here option written save to files. Just tap on it. Now you can give any name, whatever name you feel like giving. You can rename also, so I'll just keep it as it is. And on the right top corner you can see a save option. Just tap on it. Now it will be saved in the files. Now let us check if it is really saved inside the files or not. So just open the files application. So now you can see here one PDF file. So this is the PDF file. So you can see here. So this is the complete PDF file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily save or convert any web page into PDF file without using any third-party app in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.